Netflix, one of the biggest streaming platforms, got even bigger as the company added almost 16 million new users to its portfolio during this lockdown period. Now, I'm sure that a lot of you guys are also watching more and more TV and movies, so in this video, I thought I'd compare the best telecom plans from three major carriers, namely Vodafone, Jio, and Airtel, for all your binge watching needs. So, without any further ado, let's get the show on the road. But guys, before we start the video, please do hit the bell icon and subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already, so that you don't miss out on any awesome tech content that we put out. Now that you've done that, let's get on with the video. So guys, before I actually talk about the best media consumption plans from the three major carriers, namely Vodafone, Airtel and Jio, let's actually take a look at how much data do streaming services actually consume on an hourly basis. Now this is strictly for mobile usage, so starting with Netflix, the service uses around 0.3 GB of data per hour on the lowest preset and around 0.7 GB of data per hour for each stream in SD or 480p quality, and around 3 GB of data per hour for streams in HD quality. Now Amazon Prime, on the other hand, uses around 0.12 GB of data in the data saver quality, around 0.18 GB of data in the good quality, around 0.72 GB of data in the better quality, and about 1.82 GB of data in the best quality. Now Prime doesn't tell what resolution stream you get with each tier, but my guess is that the data saver quality is probably for a 240p or a 360p stream, the good quality is for a 480p stream, the better quality is for an HD 720p stream, as you can see an HD logo pop up when you're on this tier, and the best quality is for a 1080p stream, as there is a 1080p logo that comes up during playback in this tier. Now coming to Hotstar, the app doesn't really specify how much data it consumes on an hourly basis, but a cursory search online will tell you that for 1 GB of data, you can stream about 0.7 hours of full HD content on the app, about 1.6 hours of HD content on the app, and about 4 hours of SD content on the app. So if you do the math, then 1 hour of stream on Hotstar in SD quality is going to consume about 300 MB of data. Now coming to YouTube, which is one of the biggest streaming platforms, well, currently you can't really stream anything in HD quality because of the lockdown limitations. So in SD quality, the app also uses about 300 or 400 MB of data per hour. Now that we have that out of the way, let's take a look at some telecom plans. Now for the purpose of this video, I'll only be comparing data plans which offer 3 GB of data per day. Now you could go with plans which offer 2 GB of data per day as well, but seeing how we are all consuming a lot more content, it's best to go with slightly higher cap. With 3 GB of data per day in your arsenal, you'll be easily able to stream shows in SD quality from various platforms for around 4 to 5 hours every single day and still have enough data in your arsenal to use services like WhatsApp or Instagram. So starting with Airtel, the company's 3 GB per day data plan starts at Rs 398, which is just Rs 100 more than the company's 2 GB per day data plan. Now that's a great deal because for just Rs 100 more, you're going to get 28 GB of extra data every single month. You'll also get 100 free SMS per day and unlimited phone calls to any carrier network of your liking, which is pretty neat. I will like to point out, however, that there is a 2 GB per day plan from Airtel which costs Rs 349 and offers Amazon Prime membership for the pack's validity, which is 28 days. So if you aren't subscribed to Amazon Prime and won't be consuming as much data, then you could look at that plan too. Now coming to Jio, the company offers a Rs 349 3 GB per day data plan, which also gives you 100 free SMSs per day. Now interestingly, Jio also bundles subscriptions for services like Jio Cinema and Jio Saavn with this plan, so you can watch a lot of cool movies and listen to songs on these platforms. Now bear in mind that while the subscription for these services is free, the data consumption is not. So if you're going to watch a movie on say Jio Cinema, then it is going to eat up into your daily data limit. One more thing you should know about this is that unlike Airtel's plan, the Jio plan limits calling to non-Jio users and offers just 1000 minutes, but if your friend also has a Jio SIM, then you can make unlimited calls to them. As for Vodafone, well, the carrier has some really interesting plans going on right now, as they currently have a double data offer going on. So while the Rs 299 plan would have offered you 2 GB of data, right now it's going to offer you 4 GB of data on top of unlimited voice calls and 100 SMSs per day. That, and the icing on the cake, is that you also get a free subscription to Vodafone Play and ZEE5, which is a pretty good addition in my opinion. Now Vodafone Play doesn't have a whole bunch of shows and movies going on, but ZEE5 does, so go ham. A final price chart will be on your screen right now, so take a gander at what every service provider is currently offering. So of the three carriers, Vodafone is currently offering the most data for the least money, which is great for Vodafone users. But these are the best media consumption plans that you can get right now from three major carriers, namely Airtel, Vodafone and Jio. Do let me know in the comments below if you'd like me to compare cheaper or more expensive data plans, and as always, like and share this video if you enjoyed it. Until next time, this is Prateek from Mr. Phone signing off.